Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we make a lemon chicken. Lemon chicken has many different types of method. So today we prepare for this simple, easy way to get a fried lemon chicken. And then we use all the spice. I would like to have a ginger compared with the lemon. It's very good flavor. And then I use onion and 2 small onion and 4 cloves of garlic. And then I use 2 of chili and chopped small pieces. And I used spring onion for the decoration dish for the green. If you like to have a coriander, then that's good too. But if you don't like the flavor of a coriander, don't use a spring onion. I cut the onion, so it's just like this way, easy way. I mash the garlic, okay? If you cannot do that, you do this one. And also works. Peel easy. And then chop the small pieces. First mashed. And then chop the small pieces. Then I put in with the ginger together. If you like ginger more, then you cut more ginger. Then I cut this one for the decoration. Cut lemon, half one. Then you cut this slice. We use a chicken tight meat, and you can see they have a skin. They don't have skin. You can choose whether have a skin or without skin, doesn't matter. And then the same the result. So we cut a small piece. It's like this. And then like this. Marinate with the meat. So a little bit of salt, not much, and then pepper. And then you need 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. So I put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to marinate. You can with the hand, you can with the tool. Mixed well. Just a simple marinade. marinate around 10 minutes. I first fry with the chicken. I pour oil. Half deciliter to deciliter oil. You can use air fry. You spray some oil with the chicken and then air fry there around 20 minutes. It's 180 degree. So then, because the small piece, then 20 minutes, yeah, okay. Now I start to fry. So, see, not totally hot, then it's the easy burn. So, and also when they are fried, it's so easy to if you feel so warm, you can just to modify that small power. Try to cut the same size. It's easy for you to fry. Done. Remove out. Now started fry all the spice in there, like ginger and garlic, and then onion, and then lemon, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you just add 1.5 tablespoon. It's okay. But usually putting the chili, but I cannot eat chili, so then I was decoration for. Pour 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. And then pour the chicken in. Sprinkle all the onion and the chili for the top. Then it's done. I hope you like fried lemon chicken. This is easy and simple, and wish you have a good time. See you soon.
And we will be together again. Candlelit dinners and time together, sharing memories and creating new. We are cooking together, sharing our life, cooking together as part of our